Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is proving a limit by using delta-epsilon limit definition. And the limit is this: the limit of 4x minus 3 as x approaches 2 equals 5. Pause the video and see if you can try this one on your own. Alright, so what you want to do first is you want to basically review yourself of the definition, which is basically this: if you remember what your x, you have your a, which is right here, this is your L, this is your f of x. You have 0 is less than the absolute value of x minus a is less than delta. Then, in other words, you're given this, and then you have to prove that 0 absolute value f of x minus L is less than epsilon. Because again, you're trying to get it closer, you're trying to get it work for any x, basically, any epsilon. If it's true for any epsilon, then it doesn't matter how big it is, right? You want it really small as a limit, but if it's true for all epsilons, then it works for any epsilon, even the small ones. So, first you solve by saying because you're given this, let epsilon be greater than 0 if you have 0 is less than x minus 2 absolute value less than delta. And you want to choose delta to equal something. Right now, we don't know. We don't want to put anything, we don't want to jump the gun. So for right now, leave this blank for delta. Alright, then we're trying to prove this right here. So I'm going to rewrite this. F of x is 4x minus 3. Your L is 5, so it's minus 5. Then you want to kind of manipulate this. I'm going to work sideways just for sake of room. 4x minus 8. And you simplify that, right? You factor out a 4. You're going to get 4 is the absolute value of x minus 2. Well, we know something. If we multiply both sides by 4, we're going to get this inequality. So 4 x minus 2 less than 4 times delta. I hope you see that. What I did is I just took this and I can multiply each side by 4. And I got this. Now this gives me a hint on what can I make my delta. I can make my delta epsilon over 4. Right? If I do that, this is 4 times epsilon over 4, and that simplifies to epsilon. So therefore, this is less than, because you got the less than right here. It's not an equal, I'm just pointing it out. This is less than epsilon. So let me write this. 4x minus 3 minus 5. Let me put parentheses around that so you know the difference between the f of x and the limit. Absolute value less than epsilon. So it would be the limit, and therefore it's true. And that's it.